The smallholder farmers in our country, we know we have a challenge, and in particular in the province of the Eastern Cape, and especially in those areas that belong to the former homelands, the former Sky and the former Transkei. One, in terms of their ability to be able to find markets for their produce, equally the issue of infrastructure development that is not up to date in those areas. The opportunity that comes in here is that the World Food Programme has got a buying power. They procure food to supply areas that are stricken by either conflicts or wars or disasters. They bring that opportunity of that market, and the focus is very clear. We've been procuring from big established, and their focus is clear. We want to procure from the smallholder so that we can empower them, provide them with the opportunity to have a place for their markets. The second opportunity that exists here is the skills development that comes with it. We do know that in the rural areas, there's been so much urbanization happening, people moving away from the rural areas. So the skills and abilities to farm that used to be passed from one generation to another has somewhat have been lost because we've moved away from the rural areas. But now we are seeing a lot of people starting to come back to the rural areas, and there's various things that contribute to that. The issues of a sluggish economic growth, the issues of retrenchment, the effects that the COVID has done. So we're seeing very highly educated people that are returning to the rural areas. And in fact, we've got people who have lived in the rural areas for a long time who have not seen the opportunity in agriculture, because people say, I'm going to plow this, I'm going to harvest, where am I going to take it? So they are bringing a partnership to look at skills development.